Hello guys, so welcome back to Musicians Mall. Today we'll be showing you some good basic range acoustic guitars and different sizes, colors, shapes. We'll start with a 30-inch guitar, which would be this one, and it's a small size guitar. It's suitable for kids like the age group of 4 or 5, whoever want to start with learning. It's comfortable for them. Then next we come to a 34-inch guitar, which is a Pluto. It's an imported guitar. It comes with a truss rod, and it's a 34-inch, suitable for the age group of 6 to 9. Same 34-inch we have a chord guitar as well. Chord guitar would be made in Indonesia. It's priced at approximately around 10,000 rupees, and it's a good mahogany lightweight guitar. Looks good as well. Next we'll have a 39-inch, which is an Amaze. Amaze guitar is priced around 4,500 to 5,000 rupees. It's a 39-inch guitar and suitable for the age group of 9 to 13 or maybe more. After Amaze we got Pluto. Pluto is for 5,600 rupees approximately. The price that I'm giving you right now are all approx prices. The price could be up or down. After this we got Ibanez. Ibanez is again a 39-inch guitar branded. It's a Japanese brand. This particular guitar is made specially for the Indian market. It is not available anywhere else in the world. It's priced around 7 to 7,500 rupees. So one thing I'll tell you about guitars is that guitars are easily available online also for 1,500 to 2,000 rupees, but they do not come with a truss rod. So like I'll show you, these guitars that are there, they've got a rod inside for adjusting your fretboard. The guitars online do not give you this rod, so once your fretboard gets warped, you cannot repair it again. There's a lot of hard work to that. So we generally do not recommend to buy guitars online. You should try, check, see the comfort, check the sound, and then buy the product. So after 39-inch we come to 41-inch. This is a 41-inch guitar. It's priced at around 6,000 rupees. It's a full size guitar, jumbo size. So guitars come in basically two sizes. The regular sizes, which is 39-inch and 41-inch. There are some 40-inch guitars as well, but not all brands make those. So now in 41-inch we got some more options, some more brands. We have a Yamaha, which is priced at around 9,500. There are many teachers, many students who like this particular guitar. It's a top seller. It's amongst the top sellers. You can find this here. Then next would come from Fender. Fender would be priced at around 11,000 rupees. Fender is an American brand, though they've got factories across maybe in China, Indonesia, Mexico and America. Now next we'll come to semi-acoustic guitars. Semi-acoustic guitars we got a Squier. This is a Squier Fender semi-acoustic guitar. It comes along with a Fishman pickup. It's a Fishman pickup and it's a semi-acoustic Squier by Fender. It's priced at approximately around 12 to 13,000 rupees, and it is the best guitar to get if you want a semi-acoustic for the price range. because fisherman pickups itself are expensive. So this is the end of the video. We'll see you next time for electric guitars, bass guitars. Before ending, I'll show you some string sets that can be used for guitars as well. Here they are. So these are basically electric guitar string sets. We've got different brands, like you can see, electric guitars, acoustic guitars, bass guitars. Here would be the cables, guitar cables. There would be Ibanez, Fender, which we have displayed right now. Other than these, we've got many more brands, cheaper brands, expensive brands. If you want anything, you can give us a call, WhatsApp us, comment below, and we can have the product delivered to you. See you.